Welcome folks to another video on FAQs on Power Automate. Today we'll discuss one of the question. Explain about one recently added action to Power Automate. So as we all know that Microsoft keeps on adding new actions, new connectors to Power Automate. So we'll discuss one of the recently added action category to Power Automate desktop, which is OneDrive. So this is a very nice addition to Power Automate. It will help you to do several tasks with your OneDrive folder storage. For example, if you want to get the list of files from a folder, you want to copy, you want to move something, you want to get the file content. There's so many actions in this, and let's see one example of that. So if you go to Power Automate, you'll see this OneDrive, which is a premium action. Now there's so many actions here. Let's see one example. So I have my OneDrive open in a account, and there's a test folder here, and we have one file person details.xlx, or there are two files here. Let's say we want to get the file details list of files in a folder. Okay, so let's go to Power Automate and we'll use the action called list files in a folder. Now before we create any further flow, you will have to create a connection reference, as we know, which is the usual practice in Power Automate cloud part. But in case you are using some functionality which is dealing with online service, something like that, you'll have to click create connection reference here also. So click on connection reference. I have one already created, but in case you don't have one, you can click here and add a new connection. I'll click on OK. Now I'll go to this folder, test folder here, and I'll select this because this is the folder where I want to extract the list of files from. Let's see anything in advance. No, there's just timeout value. So click on save. Let's run this and I should get list of details of the files into this folder. Let's run this. The process is running. Now it's completed. Now you'll get a connector object value which you can further modify using maybe like custom object to JSON or JSON to custom object. You can further process this data and you'll get the values of all the files. Thanks for watching, guys.